Got Carson here, and I'm going to cross the country as the note guy because for the last 13 years, I've been buying, selling, and investing in distressed notes, first mortgages on residential and commercial properties, and helping thousands of investors, both new and seasoned, just like yourself, how to do the same thing, how to buy and control millions of dollars of real estate at a fraction of value. And I want to invite you out to a very special event this coming Saturday, August 21st, from 9 a.m. to roughly 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's a one-day training called the Note Weekend, where we'll spend roughly 5 or 6 hours going through, as I like to say, the Cliff Notes version of note investing. I'll show you how to find, fund, and flip non-performing notes and allow you to dip your toes in the water to see if note investing is something that you should consider long-term. And the answer to that is yes. So you can go to Note Weekend, check out the full schedule today. You'll get over $1,000 in bonuses for signing up. It's a very affordable cost, normally $99. We have it discounted down to $49 for you. So go to noteweekend.com, get signed up today. You'll get the replays to the last event so you can start learning now and be better prepared for our Saturday class. And of course, once we're finished with the class, we'll send you the replays in case you've got to step aside from your computer for a minute or two. But the replays are included, over $1,000 in bonuses. Saturday, August 21st at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time is when we get started, and we'll go till 2, 3, or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So get signed up today at noteweekend.com, and we'll see you at the top, everybody. Bye.